Disabling two-factor authentication on Pinterest can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your Pinterest account. Open your web browser or the Pinterest app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. Look for the settings option in the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. In the settings menu, find and click on the security tab. This section contains all the security features related to your account. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle switch or checkbox that you can click to disable this feature. Confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the change. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the settings page and click it to ensure your preferences are updated. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Pinterest account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and being cautious with your login information.